Hello friends, welcome to AI class, and in this AI class I'm going to tell you that how you can create your real 3D avatars which will look just like a human. As you can see here, all are looking like a human, but these are not real. These are just an AI. So how we can do it? For this I have logged in this with DID. You just simply click here on the Google and type there DID Creative Reality Studio. When you will type this DID Creative Real Studio, choose this one. When you will click here, this screen will open. Here, click on this Start Now. It's free because right now we are using it as a free one. After that, this video will be open. You can create the avatar video by engaging your audio. You can do your video translation. Like if you have one video in English and you want to convert it in Hindi, then you can use this one also. The agent one, it will train a conversation, means you can choose one person who will speak as per your choice. And avatar, you can create your avatar also. So first of all, we will go create avatar. So I'm clicking here, create with video, create with photo. So here I'm going to create with photo first. I'm going to click this upload option. First of all, I have to log in it. Just simply click on continue with Google and log in it with your ID. Click on continue option. After logging properly with your ID, then the new window will be open. And in this window, you will choose your photo, which one you want to create. So again, I'm going to click on create avatar, create with photo. After clicking on create with photo, you will choose one picture that you should have on your screen. So for example, I'm going to take one image. Let me take, suppose I'm going to take this one. This is the bridal image. Okay, after taking this bridal image, it will take few seconds for generating it. And after a few seconds, it will be generated. So now just wait for few seconds. So after clicking on this create avatar, now you will come again on the same page. After this, we will click on this avatar video because I want to create one video. So I'm just clicking on this avatar video. After clicking on avatar video, you will come here. If you have already created one avatar, then you can see that one here. Premium is the pro one. If you have purchased this, then you can use the premium one. And if you don't want to use your photo, then many options are here. Those are premium, which has star. And it is not has a star. So if I will click on it, then it will come here. So again, I'm telling you, this is your choice. It's not compulsory to take your photo, but if you want, then you can take your photo. I have shown you how you can take this. Now I'm telling you how to take your photo. Again, I'm going to click create with photo and same procedure I'm going to do again as I did before. Again, I'm choosing the same picture and open. When I will click here on this open one, then come to my avatar option. Here you can create your avatar. Right now, I have 20 credits as I have logged in it with my new ID. Okay, so now I'm not going to create new avatar because if I will create a new avatar, then my 10 credits will gone. So I'm going to choose one girl. Suppose I want this one. Okay, so it will come here. Now I want that she will speak and her position will be changed. So this is the position option. If you want, you can set the position. Fit to page, if I will click on it, then it will be set on this page. If you want to set the ratio, YouTube video, YouTube shorts, Instagram reel, you just set it like this. And wherever you want, you can put it. With the help of the dots, you can also make it big as I'm doing. So I'm just keeping it big and it is something like this. Now, as I'm playing, it has right now, it has no voice. So if you want, then you can click here on the voice option. Like I'm going to click on text. If I want, I can choose the text as we used in Canva. Same you can use here as I'm typing here, welcome. So I just put here welcome. This is your choice. You can take one more welcome. If you want, you can change the color with the help of this. All are in your hand. After this text, I'm just typing one script. The name is Ima, English US. If you will click here, Gender, you can choose, I want female. Age, you can choose, I want adult. Use case, animation, conversion. So I want conversational. Okay. It is showing all that from where you want. So I'm taking all by default. Okay. Clone your voice means here you can choose your voice also. If you don't have any voice, then you can choose clone your voice. Means you can, if you be click here, you can start the recording. But this is the pro one, so I'm not going to use it. I can just use it simply. So in place of typing this, I'm just typing here. Hi friends. Today I am going to tell you about digital marketing tricks. Okay. 10 words preview limited access. It is showing that we can create maximum 10 words. I have mentioned here 72 words. So let me delete few because this is just for preview. Okay. Then I just mentioning here, hi friend. Now let me play it so that you can hear it properly. It's really a very good app. So if I will click on this play button,
Hi friends,
then it will speak. This is the speed, how much you want. And if I will play
hi
it,
friends,
it will be like this. And if I will click here on the generate video, this is the text. If you want, you can record your audio. If you have your audio, you can choose that one. It should be maximum 15 MB. So for this, you will click on it. And if you have any audio, then suppose, let me type MP3. For example, I'm taking this. If it is 15 MB, then I can use it here. If you already have your audio. Okay, now let me play it.
कुछ लोगों की औकात नहीं है हमसे बात करने की और हमें इग्नोर करके खुद को 30 मार खान समझते हैं.
Okay, so it is 15 MB. Now it has come here. So in place of text, you can use audio. After this, I have taken audio, I have taken video. Now I will click on generate video and my video name is start. Anything you can do. The duration is 8 seconds and credits 1. I have 20 credits. If I will create it, my 1 credit will go. So let me click on generate option. After generating this video, I have 19 credits. I have already created one, but one more I have created in front of you. It will take few seconds and within few seconds, your video will be ready and you can present it anywhere. So if you want to use a face, then with the help of this, you can use your face. You can use your face or you can use AI face. Now just wait for 2 seconds. So 2 seconds has completed. Now I'm going to play this video. Now you can see it will work properly. Let it be upload. And if you like it, just simply click
कुछ
on.
लोगों की औकात नहीं है हमसे बात करने की और हमें इग्नोर करके खुद को 30 मार खान समझते हैं.
Okay, I hope it's completely clear for you. If you like it, then simply click on download option. If you will click on the download option, then it's downloading right now. As you can see, it is here. If I will open my file, now here you are, it's saved in my laptop. Now whenever I want, I can use
कुछ
it.
लोगों की औकात नहीं है हमसे बात
It's
करने
a
की
simple.
और हमें इग्नोर
More
करके खुद को
interesting,
30
ma'am,
मार
because it's
खान
like
So I
very
hope it's completely clear for you. Yes.
clear.